In this video, I'm going to show you how to save TikTok videos without posting. After spending tons of hours editing your video on TikTok, you want to save it without posting it. Maybe you are not sure of posting it. I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your TikTok homepage, navigate to the bottom where you see the plus icon and tap on it. On this interface, continue to tap on upload. So I have a list of files that I can upload onto my TikTok. In this case, I'm interested in uploading this one, so I'll select it. After that, I'll proceed on next. So I have the option to select who can view this post, and in any way this is not going to be posted yet, so I'll not select anything here. I'm going to make the necessary edit that I'm going to do to this video. I can add a sound by tapping on this add sound at the top. Then you have the option to select the sound that you want to select. In this case, I'm interested in picking on this one, so I'll continue to tap on it. Allow it a moment to finish loading. Now the sound has been selected. If I want to create a text, I can proceed to create the text here. Let me make a quick text so that I can do the necessary changes that I want to do to this text. Then I'll proceed to tap on done, so I can quickly adjust the position of this text onto the top. I can add stickers, effects, or any other thing that I want to add to this post. Once I'm done with everything, since I'm not gonna post it to TikTok currently, I'll then proceed to tap on save. Allow it a moment to finish saving into your gallery. So depending on your file size, sometimes it might take quite a long time. In my case, mine has already been saved. In order to locate it, all I have to do is to navigate to my phone gallery. Then I'll proceed to select on gallery, and there you are. When I select this one, this is the post that I've just created on TikTok, and I've been able to save it on my device without having to post it on TikTok. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.